I'm Ron from Kolleno, your trusted suite app for helping you manage accounts receivable seamlessly with NetSuite SuiteBilling. In this tutorial, I walk you through creating custom item information fields in both sales and subscription records to capture additional details like product keys or specific information tied to each transaction. The way we will go that is to add custom fields in records like sales orders, item receipts, item fulfillments, and invoices. The way we will go do that is by going to customization, list records and fields, transaction line items, and then new. So in the label you enter any name, my custom line field. Then you will have the script ID. So you enter a unique ID field which will be used in field mappings. You will also need to get the field type here. You can choose the appropriate field type. Remember that freeform text that's selected currently has a 300 character limit. If you want more than 300 characters, you will need to go to the text area one. The store values that's pre-checked here, it returns data entered in this field. Once you are on this form, you need to choose where you will apply it. So you could apply it, for example, to a sales item for sales transaction, to item received for item receipt records, and item fulfillment for fulfillment records. You can complete any additional fields as needed, and when you're happy, you would click on Save for this one. While for subscription records, you first please like this video, I would be super grateful, and then you will go to Customizations, List, here, and we need to go to other record fields, new. So here in the record type we will choose subscription line here. In the name of the field we will go, for example, for product key. You enter a script ID as before for mapping purposes. You have the field type, same thing with the text area that you would choose if you need more than 300 characters. You would have the store value here on my screen that's showing on the right. So you check it if you want to retain the data, and then you click on Save. And adding those custom fields allows you to capture and organize detailed item information directly in your sales and subscription records. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful, and I will see you in the next one.